Hi everyone, this is Kushal Jambulkar from Gossip Funda. Let's get started. So, in this video, we will be talking about Chrome flags. First of all, what is a Chrome flag? Chrome flags are experimental features that aren't part of the default Chrome experience. In a simple way, Chrome flags are hidden features of Google Chrome. Let's see some of the important Chrome flags which help in our day-to-day life experiences. So the first Chrome flag is reader mode. Open your Chrome browser and type Chrome flags. Just I have typed in the video, and then you can see that there are many flags which we can use, but we have to type reader flag. So I am typing the reader flag, and you can see that there is a reader mode triggering which we can use and change the option to all articles and relaunch the app. So after relaunching it, you can view some of the news from the Google. So I am opening one of the news and checking whether it is working or not. So it is working and it is working smoothly. So you can see that it has been changed into a reading mode, and it is showing that so some simplified view, and you can click that, and it is the normal browser, and it has changed into a reader mode. Second mode, and most of you will be liking this mode, that is dark mode. Opening the Chrome flag browser and type dark mode, you can see that the dark mode option is given, and I have enabled it, and you have to relaunch the app, and you can see that the interface at the background was black. Let's check whether the interface background has become black or not by opening some of the news which is given in the home page. After I open some of the news, here you can see that the background is whole black. Let's check on the another tab whether it is visible or not. So after opening this, so it is visible and it has been successfully applied to your Chrome browser. The third Chrome flag is smooth scrolling. Open the Chrome flag and type smooth scrolling, and you will see it is on the default, and enable it and relaunch the Chrome browser. So it is relaunched now, and let's check whether the smooth scrolling is really working or not. I have opened this web page, and let's check whether it is working smoother. Yeah, by looking into this, it is working smoother. The fourth Chrome flag is parallel downloading. In the Chrome flag search box, type parallel downloading, where you can see the parallel downloading option, and set it to the enabled mode and relaunch the app. The parallel downloading flags enable the same technique in the Chrome and helps accelerate the overall download speed of your file in pieces instead of a single big chunk. The fifth Chrome flag is logging detection. In the Chrome flags search box, type enable logging detection, where you can see it, and change it to enable mode from the default mode. The feature of the logging detection is designed to alert you the password you are using has been found in a data breach. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Gossip Funda, and you can visit to gossipfunda.com. There are some amazing tech-based questions which have been answered in the Gossip Funda, and you can check the blog also, where you can find some of the interesting things. Link is in the description box below. You can check it out. Thank you.